If you want to find and manage sound settings on a Motorola Moto G87, first of all we need to open the settings on our phone. Then over here you should be able to find sound and vibration, and here we can of course start managing sound settings. For example, here at the top we have a couple of D&D shortcuts and gestures that you can use, like for example flip for D&D, so you can place your phone face down or turn your phone face down in order to activate D&D mode automatically. We also have a pick up to silence, so whenever someone calls you, if you pick up your phone, then the ringtone and the vibration is going to be muted or disabled, so of course you can then calmly answer or decline the call. We also have a couple of different media sliders, volume sliders actually. We have one for media, we have also the call volume adjustment, we have the slider for ringtone volume. We can also choose the media output over here, even if nothing is being played at a moment. We can also adjust the notification volume and the loudness of alarms. There is also the multi-volume feature, which of course we can easily enable or disable, and it allows you to decide or control actually the volume of apps individually. Now, besides that, we have a couple of different sounds that we can also manage, like we have the dial pad tones, which we can easily toggle over here. We also have the screen locking sound, tap and click sounds, and the screenshot sound, all of which can be easily enabled or disabled. But besides that, as you can probably see, here we can also change the phone ringtone for each SIM that you have active. We have the option to choose the default notification sound and the alarm sound. There is also the vibration section, so you can manage vibration and haptics over here. And also, you can show the vibrate mode icon at the top over here on the status bar whenever you use the vibrate mode, because unfortunately by default this icon does not show up. And then we have some additional settings, like we can toggle the charging sound and vibration, and we also have the Dolby Atmos configuration over here, so you can turn it on or off or make some changes. We have the media player pinned to the quick settings. We have media controls over here, so you can, for example, use volume buttons in order to go to the next or previous track when your screen is completely off. You can also press and hold volume up or volume down, of course, to do so. Actually, not just press, but you have to press and hold. Now, besides that, we have the live caption as well, so you can easily enable or disable live caption, or you can also find some settings related to live caption feature, so you can manage them here. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.